Today's video, I want to show you how to pair up the Apple Earpods here, the real ones, the Gen 2, with a Infinix Hot 30 smartphone. Okay, so this is running Android 13. And the first thing you want to do is make sure that the Earpods here itself has battery life and not connected to another device. Okay, so once you check that, now when you open up the case lid, make sure they're both in the case itself here. And at the back of your AirPods case, you're going to press down on this button right here, okay? Hold it down until you see the white blinking light. You're going to see the light's going to start blinking right here. And when it does that, let it blink for at least 3 to 5 times. So go ahead and do that. So hold it and you'll see this here happen, all right? So let it blink. And once it's blinking at least 3 to 5 times, then you let it go. Okay, let go of the button at the back here. Keep the case lid open at all times. And now on your Infinix phone itself here, you will want to go ahead and use the Bluetooth settings of your phone. Okay, so on the phone here, just use the quick panel access like this here. Look for the Bluetooth toggle and long press it. Okay, that'll take you into the Bluetooth settings of your Infinix phone and you'll turn it on here. And when you do this, it's going to start searching for nearby devices and you'll see the AirPods, okay? If it doesn't show up, just make sure you check your blinking lights on the AirPods to make sure that they are still in the pairing mode. Now that you are seeing it here, just go ahead and tap on it. It'll say pairing, you'll get the request, just press pair. And it's gonna say connecting and it'll tell you it's active. You'll see there's going to be a quick green light on the AirPods and it'll let you know that it's connected, okay? You can tap on the settings icon here to enable it for calls and audio. Now, if you want to see the battery status, like get that pop-up animation, there's an app you can get. It's a free app and I'll show you now, okay? But other than that, that's it, like and sub. So the name of the AirPods app for Android phones to give you the pop-up animation, it's called Andropods. It's free. You just need the free version just to get the battery status, and you can get it from the Play Store. All right, so once you have it installed on your phone, you'll just look for it. It's this one here. And when you are using it for the very first time, you will need to give it permission to access these here, okay? So show overlays, when you tap on that, it's gonna take you here. You'll look for the Andropods and enable it. So turn on the switch for that there. You can just come out of here and come back to the app itself and then give it permissions to Bluetooth, just allow. And finally, for the notifications will be for the pop-up animation. And once you do that here, you'll see this will be here. Now it'll take you straight here and turn on the service. When you do that, you'll see this pop up. You'll see that little 0 up here. And for the model, just make sure it's set to 1 and 2 if you have the Gen 1 and 2. And if you're using the AirPods Pro, you can also try that with that here. And make sure these 3 are turned on, okay? So once you have all these set up and ready to go, and because you have your AirPods already connected, now that you have that happening here, what's gonna happen next is when you open up your case here for your AirPods like this here, you'll get that pop-up animation, okay? So just wait for it. It's gonna show up like this here. And if it doesn't give you an accurate battery reading in the first go, restart your phone and come back again and you should get that accurate reading, okay? So it may take a while to register, but once you get to do that, then you should be good to go, okay? So I'll go ahead and restart my phone now and I'll show you that it's gonna show the right one. So after the restart of your phone, again, just try it again and open up the case lid here like this. You'll get the pop-up animation and this time around you should get the accurate battery reading. Just give it a few seconds. It'll take a while to register, but then you'll see that it's gonna show you the reading this time around. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, if this guide helped you, like and sub.